Hey guys, it's Julie Willits from juliewillits.com here with you today. And I just wanted to share some information about what it's going to take and why people fail on their online business. And one of the parts is failing to see that you have to be consistent, number one. The other thing is they bring the emotion into it, and the emotion of feelings. And your feelings are what holds you back to say, I don't feel like doing this. I don't feel well. I feel tired. So therefore, I'm not going to do what I said I was going to do, which is create a video, right? So that's part of the big problem. And the other thing is, after attending a mastermind last weekend, mindset is so important. Now, I've known this for a long time. I do continue to grow every day by either reading, watching YouTube videos, doing some training, reading articles. I mean, and of course, reading books. There's so many different ways that you can continue on your journey to grow yourself as an entrepreneur. But some of us get burned out. They don't see success, so they just fall off the wagon, more or less, and they stop. And you have to keep going with the mindset journey. It's a process. Once you keep on that path to improve your personal growth, the other things will fall into place. But a lot of people can't have the patience or won't have the patience, don't want to have the patience to make this work. So you have to plan to take your feelings out of it. Because, if you don't feel like doing it, no one's going to do it for you. So you have to make that commitment to yourself that you're going to feel like doing it. You are going to do it on a daily basis, a consistent basis, regardless of what platform you use. And you're going to have to use your personal development, grow your mindset to keep you on track and to help push you forward. And, don't forget about being around people that really support you. This is very important to your growth, and the ones that do not support you are going to hold you back because they're not going to want to go there. So therefore, they don't want you to grow and flourish as a person either. So I really want to instill the mindset part of this to you. And I actually got this information, and it was really drilled into me at the mastermind by my friend and business associate Nathan Lucas at the past mastermind. And he's a big YouTube guy, so I was thinking, why is he talking about mindset? Because that's where he lacked in the beginning of his journey and didn't follow the process with personal development to keep him going and grow. So he has instilled that in me, and I am practicing this even more so every day. I do know the importance of it, but sometimes, like I said, we kind of fall off the wagon and think that all these other things that people tell us to do, as far as the mechanic part of running a business, but it's not all about mechanics. You have to first start with the foundation of dynamics. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and if you are first time here on my channel, hey, if I provided some value for you, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I would love to interact with you. And I will see you guys on the next video, and have a great day. Bye now.